dear colleagues and partners of IFY. Good evening. I am Charlie Thomas. Nice to see you again. As Christmas approaches, thank you all for taking the time and attend this meeting. On behalf of IFY, we extend our warmth, holiday greetings and wish you good health, smooth work and happy life. The purpose of today's meeting is twofold: to express our holiday gratitude and review achievement, clarify discussions, and look ahead to the future. In the previous meeting, we introduced two platform benefits: the Golden Egg Smash and Discount Zone, as well as the promotion and invitation reward policies for different V level sellers. Over this period, everyone has actively participated and diligently executed, keeping the platform running smoothly. This demonstrates that as long as we work together and follow the rules, IFY's mechanism truly help our partners. Even more proudly, in 2025, IFY's platform successfully exceeded 10 billion orders from the year. This is the significant milestone, representing market recognition of IFY and providing the platform strength and potential. Achieving this would not have been possible without the efforts and dedication of every partner. Here, I sincerely say thank you all. I also want to emphasize IFY always operates legally and compliantly. All business is conducted within the framework of the law. We prioritize system security, process standards, and user rights, aiming to build a long-term, stable, and trustworthy platform. This is where more and more users and partners choose to trust and join IFY. Looking ahead, 2026, the company has clear and determined development vision. Deepen IFY's offline franchise cooperation system in 2026. IFY will future strength strategic partnership with offline franchises stores by sharing resource to help franchise partner reduce operational costs, expanding product categories and supply support to improve store competitiveness, organizing joint promotion and activities with full guidance and support, driving sustainable growth and win-win development of franchise system, introduce advanced POS system to improve system efficiency. In 2026, IFY will implement professional POS management system for offline stores to help them manage inventory more efficiently, prove faster and more convenient checkout for customers, quickly query product information, optimize process to improve operational efficiency by at least 20% compared to similar stores, enhancing retail management and service quality. Build a unfilled and professional product and brand guide. In 2026, IFY will systematically create highly recognizable product and brand guide including brand posting and core values, external information and content potential, logo design, visual system and packing standards, enhancing IFY professional image and brand influence in the market. Continuously expand market presence. IFY will continue to expand into more regional market depend channel contracts and extend platform service to broader use base. Future constructing its market foundation, comprehensively improve platform system and service experience. We will continuously optimize system stable security and user experience, improving customer service and providing a more reliable and efficient environment. Deepen seller growth system and support long-term development through enhanced training promotion channels and incentive policies. IFY will help more sellers improve their skills and income, build a sustainable seller ecosystem. Additionally, I bring more good news. IFI has officially signed new 2026 quarterly cooperation order with well-known brands such as Gymshark, Kylie Cosmetic, Woolbird, Huel, Sephora, Hints, Nike, and Adidas. Retailed projects are processing steadily and in an orderly manner. 2026 will be an important year for IFY to achieve higher quality development. We look forward to working together to make the platform stronger, more stable, and more sustainable. In Bangladesh, we always respect Islamic culture and local tradition. Today's meeting is not a religion celebration but an occasion for IFY to express gratitude, care, and blessing during the international holiday of Christmas. We hope everyone feels this sincerity behind this. Finally, I hope everyone will maintain confidence, follow standard producers, strength team collaboration, work hand in hand with IFY to embrace a brighter future. Holiday notice. According to the UK headquarters, December 24-26 is a public holiday for Christmas. During this period, HQ team and system support will be temporarily unable. Consequently, retune product listing work will be pushed. This adjustment ensures system and operational stability. Operations will resume on December 27. Thank you for your understanding and support. The company will also cancel the December 25, 2025 meeting. The next meeting will be held on December 26, 2025. Special warmth and gratitude holiday event. To thank everyone for their support and bring additional rewards during the holiday, IFY will launch a special event for December 24-26. User can participate without working, still having a chance to extra earn benefits. Gratitude and rewards event 1. Invite new user to join IFY and receive invitation rewards. Invite a V1 seller 600 taka. Invite a V2 seller 1900 taka. Invite a V3 seller 6000 taka. Invite a V4 seller 18,000 taka. New user or interns who successfully become V level seller receive holiday newcomer rewards. New V1 seller 600 taka. New V2 seller 1900 taka. New V3 seller 6000 taka. New V4 seller 18,000 taka. New user or intern promotion to V level seller should conduct the recruitment manager to claim rewards. A V level seller who successfully upgrade will receive upgrade rewards. Upgrade to V2 900 taka and 1 lucky spin. Upgrade to V3 3000 taka and 1 golden egg smash. Upgrade to V4 9000 taka and 1 lucky spin and 1 golden egg smash. Event duration December 24 26 2025, 3-day only. Total participation limit 30,000 users. Daily limit first 10,000 users. Once daily slots are full, rewards will not be issued. Please participate the next day. This event aligned with Christmas and the growing 2026 quarterly cooperation orders, optimize incentive rewards for focus on team expansions, resource allocation and staff motivation, helping every members achieve higher achievement and stable, sustainable income. 15-day Chairman Logistic Fund Reward. Invest 1000 taka, 100 taka reward. Invest 3000 taka, 300 taka reward. Invest 5000 taka, 500 taka reward. Invest 10,000 taka, 1500 taka reward. Invest 30,000 taka, 4500 taka reward. 60-day Australian Logistic Fund Reward. Invest 3000 taka. A Bluetooth speaker worth 980 taka. Invest 5000 taka. A hair dryer worth of 1499 taka. Invest 10,000 taka. A juicer worth 1990 taka. Invest 30,000 taka and induction cooker worth 5,299 taka. 90 days franchise logistic fund reward. Invest 5,000 taka and iron worth 1,999 taka. Invest 10,000 taka and induction cooker worth 5,299 taka. Invest 30,000 taka and Oppo A6X phone worth 12,990 taka. Invest 50,000 taka, a 32-inch TV worth 23,800 taka. Invest 100,000 taka and Oppo Reno 14 F5G phone worth 39,990 taka. Event duration December 24-26, 2025. Limited to 3 days. Finally, we wish you again Merry Christmas, happiness for your family, smooth work and bright future. Let's carry the warmth and energy for the holiday into a better tomorrow.